Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher water level float. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water level float. The water level float tells the dishwasher if there's water in it. The minute you'll be changing it out, it's if it's damaged and it's either overfilling or not filling at all. In order to change the part, we have to take the cake panel off. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to take it off. To get these retainers out, we're just going to use the screwdriver and turn them 90 degrees, and then you can pull it out. Once you have the retainers off, you can reach in and pull the access panel off and set it aside. Now that we have the kick panel off, we have to reach in and open up the cover that covers up the float switch. We're going to remove the left side first. There's a couple locking tabs that you have to press on to release. So while you're pulling on the cover, just have to kind of press on those tabs to get them to release. And then we can do the same thing on this side. Once you have the covers open, we're going to take the arm out. All you have to do is pull it off the pin, set it aside. And then we have to release the water level float. You just have to pull it towards the front of the dishwasher so it comes out in front of the holder. Once you have the water level float released, you can put the arm back on. All you have to do is line it up, push it on the pin. Once you have it in place, we can snap the covers closed. Now that we have the covers snapped closed, we're going to put the access panel back on. All you have to do is lift it up into place and line it up. Once you have it in there, we can use the flathead screwdriver to put the retainers in. Now we can open up the door. Once you have it open, you can pull out the lower rack. We're not going to take it out, just leave it sit on the door. And we can reach in and lift the water level float out. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old water level float next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Make sure you pull off the protective cover before you put it in. To put the new water level float in, all you have to do is set it down into the stem, and you want to push it down so you hear it snap into place. Once it's locked in, you shouldn't be able to pull it out. Once you have it snapped in, you can push the lower dish rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.